call video for the QuasiDB service for Monday the 17th of August. I'll just talk about the indices, and then I'll talk about pound USD, euro USD and euro pound, and I'll just have a quick look at gold. I won't do all the pairs because it does make a long video. I'm looking at multiple pairs. So let's just start on the indices. So this is the DAX, so the DE30 on the hourly, German 30 index. So what's interesting here was the swing high in July. We see how we had a rejection, very strong rejection, and we had some support. So for your interest, it's 12840. There's a resistance at 12950, 12950, and 13103. It's descending pitchfork, but we are above that July high, so that should be quite bullish. So look at that H4. I don't know what it looks like on the H4. So it's currently bearish butterfly, which is that formation. There's that support. So we've got resistance at 13030 and support 12882. Could potentially break this pitchfork, so I'm thinking because of this bearish formation, it might test this lower support. If it does, then it could fall quite away. Let's have a look at the daily. DAX daily. So this is the shift channel top, and that's your shift channel low. That's your bottom. There's your median line. So this is currently your resistance at 12890. Yeah, so we're just above. So this is going to be key. What might happen on the daily, we're going to use this as a support to bounce off of, and then we can target 14081. It is a bearish ABCD, and it negates if we crack above 13827. So have a look at, remember that level 12890. Look at the Dow Jones. We've got a bullish 4-point continuation. We've got an ascending channel. We've got a bullish harmonic. It's just saying it's an incomplete formation, so there needs to be like a breakout. So I'm thinking perhaps up, because it's a bullish sequence and we've got an ascending channel. H4. Ascending pitchfork, got a bearish harmonic, and that negates, so I say, at 2848. So this will support 27854, 28092. Potentially we might see a break on the H4. We'll look at the daily. And likewise with DAX, we've got the upper shift channel. Let's zoom out. So there's your resistance and there's your support. So 28173. So we're just below, and we are a bearish sequence. Do the FTSE hourly, which you might see on Twitter. These are your resistances and these are your supports. We are a bearish max bat. This B, XABCD, this B is important, 6112.5. So keep an eye on that. It could be a good sell below, and the spreadsheet did indicate a sell because of FXCM data. So keep an eye on that level. That's going to be key. And there's your support at 60.33. Just do H4, and then do daily. So resistance, and there's your support. There's some support. 6102, 6116, and your resistance at 6180, and that's your median line resistance there. So it's a bearish formation. Zoom out on H4. So if we go above that, then we break this. So if we crack above 6537, then we negate that harmonic, and it'll be something bullish, which I think it will be this formation, which might be a shark, and that'd be a bullish shark. So then that would be your stop loss for a buy. Daily, and I'll just quickly talk about the FX majors. So Bit of a strange one on the daily. Got descending pitchfork, got a bearish channel. Your resistance 6509 and support 5538. It's kind of formatted strangely, but that's what it's done. So there's the UK 100. So keep an eye on the 6112. That's going to be key because that's the body of the harmonic on the hourly. So just look at pound USD. Quite an old trend line, and we're 13079. We're cracking below that line. See, there's your July low. Well, it's actually not the July's low, but a swing low in July. Hits that, and we're below. So there's your resistance 13101 and resistance at 13079. If we were to go in, see, I've identified our head and shoulders, which is left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and that went on the Telegram earlier. There's your neckline. So and we're breaking pitchfork, we're breaking diagonal, so it could well come up. So just keep an eye on those levels, and you should be okay. Pound, euro pound. So there's your diagonal break. If you remember, see the response from that break was quite strong, and so we're actually in ascending pitchfork. There's your resistance at 0.9057 and support at 9045. So it's currently hitting median line resistance, and that's going to be another resistance there as well. So could potentially come back within this channel and then find support again on the shift median line potentially. There's a confluence there. There's your 100% fib. There's your median on the shift channel at that point, and then obviously coincides with that low. So 9002 potentially. I'll do euro dollar, and then we'll wrap up. So on the hourly, we've got resistance at 118.50 and your support is 118.25, 119.10. We are bullish A, B, C, D, so that should buy. So if we crack below 116.84, then it negates that sequence. Let's do H4. And so, yeah, we cracked the pitchfork. We are in some fib line there. So 118.31. Do daily. And so we're on a bearish ABCD. Yeah, it's a bit overextended, really. We should be within the pitchfork. That's like normal parameters. We just overextended a little bit. So we should see price 116.78 being tested, 113.43. That'd be your support if that breaks. So doing a little bit what gold did, really. And a quick one on gold. So there's your 423.6 resistance, which went on Telegram. I put a chart on there with an alarm bell because nothing should exceed the 423.6% fib. It's just ridiculous. So technically way overextended, and so that's why I put the alarm bell emoji. There's your next support at 1856. So we're within those two ranges, the 423.6 and the 261.8. Breaks that, we'll go there. Breaks this, we'll go here. Now this would be normal. So that's just something to just remember at these two levels. Keep an eye on 1856. If that cracks, then we'll test below. H4. We'll go back in time on this one. So there's your median line resistance, 1958, 1940 support, 1926 support, bullish A, B, C, D, and then do hourly, and then we're done. So we cracked the pitchfork. We are in a strange no man's land, 100% fib. Extensions 1948, 1909, 1847. So it's a quick one today, and let me know if you want any pairs done. I don't mind at all. yeah, just let me know. It's not a fuss at all. And have a good day. And I'll probably do a sentimental video tomorrow and then a technical one on Wednesday. Don't forget, we've got ECB on Thursday and we've got FOMC minutes on Wednesday and we've got Brexit nonsense next week. So there's lots of risk events to bear in mind. So trade safe and keep calm and happy pips.